This dance is called More Time, More Life. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 3 restarts. Starting on the right foot, we're going to do 2 jazz box quarter turns with steps at the end. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left back, make that quarter turn right, step forward on the left. And repeat. Cross right over left, step back on the left, quarter turn right, step the left forward. Nice and easy to start with. Let's just do that once more. Jazz box, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Step back on the right, touch the left heel forward, step back on the left, touch the right heel forward. Into a coaster step, right foot leading, back closed step, step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn to the right. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock into those back heels. Off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, back heel, coaster, step, step, pivot. So add that to the top. Jazz boxes off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step. Forward rock, back heel, coaster, step, step, pivot. Cross the left over the right, hold, step the right to the side, cross the left behind, hold, step the right to the side, cross shuffle, left over right. Add on a couple of toe switches. So I'm going to point the right toe to the side, step the right beside the left, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. So those side steps are basically on the and count. So that set of steps once more then. Cross, hold, and behind, hold, and cross shuffle. Off on the left. 7, 8. Cross, hold, and behind, hold, and cross shuffle, toe and toe and. Let's add that to the top. Jazz boxes off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step. Forward rock and heel, coaster, step, step, pivot. Cross, hold and behind, hold and cross shuffle, toe and. And on a rocking chair, right foot leading, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn to the left, step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn to the left. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair up on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, pivot. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Jazz box, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step. Forward rock, back heel, coaster, step, step, pivot. Cross, hold and behind, hold and cross shuffle, toe and rocking chair, step, pivot, pivot. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Jazz box off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a good feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Jazz box off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, forward, rock and heel, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, shuffle, toe and rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, forward, rock and heel, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, shuffle, toe and rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, forward, rock and heel, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross and behind, and cross, shuffle, toe and rocking chair, step, pivot, pivot. So that is your dance. Now there are 3 restarts in this dance. They all come at exactly the same point, so 24 and counts. You will have just done your toe switches and you restart at that point. So they come on walls 1, 4 and 9. So obviously wall 1 is your front wall. Wall 9 will also be your front wall. Wall 4 is your 3 o'clock wall. So let's just take you up to 24 and counts, restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Jazz box off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, forward, rock and heel, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, shuffle, toe and toe, restart, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step. So that's your restart point. 24 and counts after you've done those toe switches on walls 1, 4 and 9. So like I say, wall 1 is your 12 o'clock wall. First time you get to 3 o'clock, that is wall 4. When you restart from that one, you'll be back at 12, but the next time you get back to 12, that is wall 9. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go. Take their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Cross, back, turn, step. Cross, back, turn, step. Forward, rock, heel, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross. Behind, and cross, shuffle, turn, restart, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step. Forward, rock, heel, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross. Behind, and cross, shuffle, turn, with rocking chair, step, pivot, step. Cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, forward, rock, heel, twist, step, step, pivot, cross, behind, and cross, shuffle, turn, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, cross, back, turn, step, should restart wall, forward, rock, heel, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, behind, and cross, shuffle, turn, restart. Hold on. Cross. Rocking chair. Jazz. Hold on. Cross. Rocking chair. Jazz. Hold on. I wanna give you everything you ever wanted. Forward rocks. Rocking chair. Direct start wall. Restarts. Hope you managed that one.